Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. This is telling me that there's some back and forth energy here. I feel like 1 minute you guys made a decision to cut someone off, but then the next minute I feel like you don't want this person to go. You know, you don't want to cut this person off at all, or this could be their energy. Y'all know this is a general reading, so take whatever fits for your situation, and this could go vice versa. I do feel like somebody's definitely sad about the way things are playing out here, and at this point they're just keeping things to themselves. Somebody feels like there were some secrets here, things that were hidden, things that they didn't know, and that's why you're not happy with this individual. You're not content with them. Maybe somebody's not content with their finances, but it looks like, Virgo, somebody made a decision here, and they're coming out of being frustrated about it. Somebody's definitely dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I feel like you guys are just trying to stay positive with whatever is going on. You know, you could be talking to family members, friends, someone that you really trust. But yeah, you guys definitely walked away from someone that was toxic here. You could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But, you know, you're just trying to stay positive. You know that at the end of the day, you made the right decision. But look, see what I'm saying? Eight of Cups is in reverse. Either it's like this person gave you no choice. You had to walk away from them because of their energy. But at the same time, I feel like you really didn't want to walk away from this person because you really cared about them. Or this could be the other person that I'm picking up on. They really didn't want you to walk away from them. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like the truth came out. Somebody was using their intuition here. Somebody could have gotten out of some type of legal situation, but I feel like it's definitely the truth here. You guys aren't buying anything that someone is just telling you. And at this point, yeah, communication is coming in slow because y'all could have, like, blocked someone, or you're just not speaking to them at all. You're over it. Tell me more. Alright, let's see. Yeah, you guys are looking at the situation like, okay, I don't see it improving. So, it's a lot of back and forth energy here. I feel like, okay, the person that messed up, I feel like 1 minute, they want to come towards you to give you an offer, right? Because they want to be with you. They want to work on things. They want to turn things around. They want to come out of this conflict with you. But at the same time, it's like they're scared to approach you, which is possibly why they're not communicating with you, because they feel like, okay, if I come in to give this person an offer, they're going to reject it. They're going to turn me down because of what I did. You know, I could have left them out in the cold. You know, they feel like there's just going to be a lot of conflict with you. So they're just kind of hiding. Honestly, at this point, they're just keeping to themselves. And when you guys look at the situation, you're like, you know what? There's nothing else I can do here. So I just need to move on. But somebody's up late at night. They're frustrated. They're worried. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but you're realizing that when it comes to this person, there's no stability with them. And at the end of the day, you feel like, okay, I got to cut it off because I don't see a new beginning with this person. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here, but somebody's at a crossroads needing to make a decision because those seeds that were planted, somebody wants them to grow, but it's like you're no longer putting forth the work to fix things because you were always the one trying, and this person wasn't putting in the work to try with you. You know what I'm saying? They weren't putting in the work to fix things, and it's like you just want balance in your life. You want balance in your love life because you want happiness here. You deserve it. You want a family. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's like, you know what? When you look at this person, you're kind of at the point where, you know what? I'm no longer wasting my time. If you can't give me what it is that I'm looking for, you gotta go. No, we're not tolerating this. There's definitely a lot of conflict going on between you and this person. Could have been arguing at one point, but yeah, somebody needs to make a decision. Somebody's definitely keeping a close eye on the other person. So Virgo, if you're not the one spying on this person, they're definitely spying and watching you. But you're feeling like, okay, things are not going to improve. And so a decision was made. Let's see. Tell me about the Two of Pentacles reverse, please. Yeah. I feel like somebody's not confident with their decision, though. But I do feel like whoever messed up, they do want to come towards you and apologize, but they don't know what to say to you or how, you know, basically they don't know how to approach you. Let's see, what's going on? Okay, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here and also have a Leo. But at this point, I feel like someone doesn't want to move forward anymore and they're sad about it. And they're trying to have the strength to deal with it, but yeah, they don't see a new beginning with this individual anymore. Yep, something that you guys were hoping and wishing for, you don't see it taking place. The sun is here. Somebody definitely wants happiness. Virgo, it could be you. You know, you could be dealing with another Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But somebody definitely wants happiness. There's some codependency here. Somebody's codependent to somebody. It could be for financial reasons or there's an addiction here. Clarify the Page of Pentacles reverse. Let's see. What's going on, Virgo? Page of Pentacles reverse, please. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. Then I have the Nine of Pentacles reversed. So yeah, it could be, you know, like some type of financial situation going on. Or if there's just addictions in general, maybe somebody's just dealing with someone, you know, for their benefit, you know, and you guys are just over it. There could have been definitely a third party situation here. There's an imbalance in this love life. And y'all know third party doesn't have to be another man or another woman. It could be a family member, friend, just anything. But yeah, there's an imbalance here. Somebody doesn't have a peace of mind and they're disappointed. And it's like they're back and forth because it's like this person from your past, Virgo, they want to come in to make you this offer of commitment. But they feel like everything that they've done to you, you know, they're having a hard time, you know, making you this offer, giving you this offer. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I feel like somebody's coming out of their head. At this point, they're letting things go here. But the person that messed up, oh, they're feeling guilty. They're feeling like, okay, I messed up with this person, but I don't know why I'm picking up. Somebody's feeling like they were obligated to this third party situation. So, like, I don't know if it was another family member or just, I don't know if they had kids with this individual or what was going on, but somebody feels like they were obligated, like they were being stretched too thin, like they had to do things for this person, you know. And at this point, you're just over it. You're like, you know what, I'm tired of dealing with you. I'm trying to, you know, work things out, and you're not meeting me where I am, so no. But this person, again, I tell you, they're feeling guilty about how they treated you, and they want to give you an offer, but they're just moving so slow to give you this offer. I'm kind of feeling like they want to, you know, clean up everything on their end because they know that they messed up, and they know you don't play around, you know, so maybe they're taking their time to really come towards you so they can really give you an offer that's legit, an offer that's going to stick, you know, and they mean it, you know, they don't want to play games. But I do feel like they're going to come in really fast. They do want to come in fast to tell you something here. They're coming out of being frustrated, and they're getting ready to open up to you, Virgo. The Hangman, yeah. It's like every day they're getting stronger, but see, it's back and forth energy. It's like one minute they want to rush in to talk to you, but the next minute they're like, let me just chill. And it's because of the fact that you cut this person off. Could have definitely been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. But yeah, you cut this person off. And so now it's like they're trying to stay positive, you know, to come towards you. Like, okay, I can work things out with this person. But on the flip side, they're not being positive because you cut them out due to the fact, look, yeah, there was a third party here. It's two queens here, and then there's a three of swords. So this person definitely put you in some type of third party situation, whether some of y'all know it or not, you know. And you know, I mean, they could have been dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but there's a third party here. I mean, period, point blank, you know. And so they're trying to figure out how exactly to approach it, because when they come in, they have to give you the truth, Virgo. And look at that Two of Cups. They want a commitment with you, but I feel like they were committed to someone else, or they were committed to doing something else. But with the Three of Swords here in reverse, you know, the Three of Wands tried to jump out. Lord. Okay. I feel like they're trying to get out of this third-party situation to come towards you, which is why they were taking their time. But they're worried. I'll be worried, too. Well, I get worried. Because, look, you can't make this up. Virgo, sneaky. I'm telling you. If y'all don't know, this person was in some type of third-party situation. They were in another commitment. Somebody could have possibly been married for some of you, but yeah, it was another person here. And it's like they know they were being sneaky. They try to play it to you like probably you were the crazy one. Like your intuition been going off. And you possibly could have been, you know, asking them questions. And they were like, deny. I plead the fifth. I don't know what you're talking about. They were making you guys feel like you were crazy. But no. You weren't crazy at all. Not at all. Y'all better start listening to y'all intuition because it has never lied to you yet. You know, and I feel like that's why this person isn't moving forward towards you, because they know if they want to be with you, they have to give you the truth. For a lot of y'all already know what's up. It's just you're waiting for this person to verbally tell you, you know, but you know what's up. You've been feeling it for a while. Some of y'all been pulling out cards, okay? Okay, anyway. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign here, a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But if not, I feel like this person that was being sneaky, they don't communicate things really well at all. They keep things to themselves, but you know, they're really sad. They're upset because they know that they hurt you. They stabbed you in the back. But you guys are coming out of that energy. But now it's like by you cutting them off, you're not reaching out to them, and they're kind of like, okay, wait a minute, like this person ain't never did this before, you know. The truth, they know they have to give you the truth, and it's coming out. They can't hold back anymore. But you guys look at the situation like, okay, there's no balance with you. I did everything. I was very loyal to you. I tried to balance things out, and yeah, no, I'm no longer doing everything in this relationship or in this commitment anymore. And that's why you guys feel like you're not going to have a new beginning. You guys are coming out of being frustrated about the situation, but somebody wants a victory here, Virgo. But either you or this other person feel like, okay, they're not going to get it. They don't have a happy home. Or maybe it's you. Like I said, deep down, I feel like you guys still care about this person. But at the end of the day, yeah, you don't see yourself building with this individual anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here, but, okay. So, somebody is getting ready to come in with an offer of commitment. Like, somebody could possibly be getting engaged. Yeah, it's like somebody made a decision, and when you cut this person off, and y'all probably been cutting them off for a little while now, it's like now they're thinking, they're like, okay, the only way that I could come in is I have to really show this person that I'm serious. So that's why they could have been taking their time, because now they want to come in and give you this offer of love. Some of y'all could possibly be getting engaged this month. Yeah, somebody wants to balance things out with you. If it's not an actual engagement or some type of, you know, marriage offer, then somebody's offering commitment. But yeah, they're coming to see you. Somebody wants a new opportunity here. Okay. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.